Good Monday morning, 6th graders. I just wanted to hop on and make a quick video to show you what we have going on this week. First of all, if you check the Canvas homepage, you will see your assignments for the week are listed. This week we are going to complete the Chapter 7 review and big ideas. We are going to move on and watch a video about surface area, which is part of Chapter 8. You will have assignments 8.2 and 8.3 in big ideas. Your assignments will be due next Monday, and we will have Zooms Wednesday at 2 and Friday at 10. Zooms are optional, but I would encourage you to hop on and just do one math Zoom this week. You don't have to do them both, but try to do one this week. There are a lot of you I haven't seen for a while, and I would just like to see your smiling face. If you would go over and check the Canvas calendar, I've given you an example of how you can pace yourself this week. You don't have to follow this exactly. This is just, like I said, an example of how you can break down your week. So today, you could do the Chapter 7 review and big ideas. We are finished with Chapter 7. We will not do a Chapter 7 test or quiz. We're going to do the review, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to Chapter 8. So tomorrow, you're going to watch a video over surface area. The video will be linked here. It's not yet, but it will be. You'll watch an area or a video over surface area. The video is going to talk about lessons 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3 all in one video. So you're going to get a lot of information in one video. I'll try to make it manageable for you though. So you'll watch your video and you'll complete assignment 8.2. We will not do an assignment over lesson 8.1. When you work on lessons 8.2 and 8.3 this week, you may use a calculator on them. So no calculator on Chapter 7 review, but you may use a calculator on lessons 8.2 and 8.3. So Wednesday we have our Zoom meeting. Thursday, you might want to re-watch the surface area video. I will link it here again. And then complete lesson 8.3 in big ideas. 8.2 and 8.3 both deal with surface area. They are just finding surface areas of different figures. So they're similar. It's just that one finds surface areas of prisms, the other is pyramids. So I'm just making one video for both of those lessons. And then on Friday for the calendar, we just have our Zoom meeting, and also just make sure you have all of your assignments finished up. So that is your week at a glance this week. Like I said, just some of the highlights are Chapter 7 review, but no Chapter 7 test. We will move on to Chapter 8. No assignment over 8.1, but you will have information about 8.1 in your video. And you may use calculators on lessons 8.2 and 8.3 this week. If you have questions, kiddos, email me and let me know, and I hope you have a great week.